Okay, so hello everyone. This is Emin Hafiz Kamal, and today I'll be talking about our assignment one, the Bhangti Chai app. So here in the app, we can see that this is an app that uh, basically divides the given input into the changes of nodes, right? So if we type 45, we can see that it shows 220 taka nodes and 15 taka nodes. So if we write 688, it shows all the ones because if you divide by 688 into the number of nodes, you can find each nodes present in it. For like 1 500, 100, it's 600, then 650, 670, 680, 85, 87, 88. Okay, so that's our app working. If we like rotate it, it works. There were some issues here where there would be a strange line in here, but we solved it afterwards. So yeah, here's up, and here's the code for the app. Where is the import for the Flutter Material app? Um, then this is the main function, the Bhangtichai app, and this is the class stateless widget because this is just a home screen. There is no thing, there is nothing changing in here. So this is a stateless widget. And after that, we have our stateful widget, the Bhangtichai home. By the way, this is all the titles, the theme, data, where's the color is green. Uh, if I showed it in Pixel XL, it would show the green color, but in on Pixel 9, it's not showing. So yeah, here's the Bhangtichai home, the stateful widget where the actual UI is present. Um, and it has a state, Bhangtichai home state, where the actual logic, the variables are actually stored in here. So this is the UI. This is the stateful widget, and the state of it is such a Bhangti home state. Here we store the amount, the number of nodes, the add digit function, where we if we type 5 and 6 after, so it's not just 5 and 6 plus, it's 56. So this is the logic in here. The amount times 10 plus digit, and we have the clear amount for the C button, the calculate change for the table. Here you can see that it just iterates all through all the nodes. Like if we type um, 47, it will iterate through 500 to 150, and then when it goes to 20, it can have find some uh, nodes, the remaining nodes, and then some changes. So like it uses the modulus functions basically. Modulus. Okay, so and here we have the build keypad button, where we have used the expanded for the buttons width, like the making the buttons equal width, and then we have the padding for the spacing and the elevated button, which is like for the clickable buttons. And if we go down there, and then we have the build keypad, where the keypad section is actually built. Previously, we just built the buttons, it's individually, and now we are building the keypad with the row functions. And as you can see, like 1, 2, 3 in a one row, and then 4, 5, 6 in another row, 7, 8, 9 in another row. So, and then the C and 0 for clear button and the 0 button. Okay. So there, we have also the functions here as well. Sorry, the widgets. And here we have the change table widget where the change is actually being shown with the similar functions, padding, etc. And lastly, we have the build widget where we actually use all the previous functions to complete the UI, such as the title, the center, the app bar, the scaffold, padding, text type, etc. So this is our code for our assignment one. Thank you so much for